Selamat datang di Departemen Manajemen Hutan, Fakultas Kehutanan dan Lingkungan, IPB University, yang berlokasi strategis di Bogor, Jawa Barat 62 km dari kota Jakarta, yang menyediakan home-based research yang jauh lebih cepat, sehingga ini menyediakan banyak kesempatan bagi mahasiswa.
The Bachelor of Scientific Program in Forest Management has been offered since 1999, which previously was one of 3 specialization subjects of Bachelor of Science in Forestry. That has been offered since IPB University was established in 1963. It's the oldest forestry degree program in Indonesia.
It's a pride I can be a student of this program. I heard from my teacher in senior high school that it's the best campus for studying forestry in Indonesia. And yes, that's true. The study program supports our academic and non-academic life on the campus.
Program studi manajemen hutan selalu terakreditasi unggul oleh Badan Akreditasi Nasional Pendidikan Tinggi Indonesia. Staf akademik terdiri dari 29 orang yang merupakan lulusan dari perguruan tinggi luar negeri terkemuka dan didukung oleh 15 orang staf administrasi. Kurikulum program menggabungkan teori di kelas dan praktik di lapangan.
We learn and apply knowledge towards sustainable forest management. I think the program provides
comprehensive laboratories, can study mapping, a geographic information system, operate unmanned aerial vehicles in a remote sensing laboratory. My friends and I practice forest inventory with traditional and modern tools, and enhance our practice skills in forestry field practice to invent forests in the various ecosystem. We also study and practice forest hydrology and watershed management.
We study forest operation and forest harvesting, both for timber and non-timber forest products. It is so exciting to explore the timber harvest tools, study and practice in resin harvest, and explore 4.0 technologies in forest utilization, as well as study its impact on the environment. We always use personal protective equipment, so there are no worries to practice in the forest.
We study about social, economic, and policy in forestry. It is so fun when we discuss forestry and forestry textbooks in our lab. The program often invites the guests from various actors to give the lecture. In forestry field practice and thematic fieldwork lecture, we also come to the village and live together with the local people to practice related to forest socio-economic in forestry and internship in various forestry institutions.
Untuk mendukung praktik lapangan, manajemen hutan memfasilitasi Arboretum Taman Hutan Kampus Cikabayan dan Hutan Pendidikan Gunung Walat. Hutan Pendidikan Gunung Walat merupakan salah satu hutan pendidikan terbaik di Indonesia dengan luas total 359 hektar yang dikelola oleh Fakultas Kehutanan dan Lingkungan IPB University sejak tahun 1968.
Our study is supported with comfortable classes and many facilities for gathering and discussion. We have several rooms. It's special for students for discussion and studying together. Some of my friends prefer to use gazebo and outdoor facilities. Personally, I like to discuss and refresh in the cafeteria. The library also a good place for self-study. We have an organization called Forest Management Student Club. We do routine program like expedition in the forest, join National Forestry Exhibition, held national seminar, fund gathering, and visiting forestry stakeholders' offices. We also have opportunities to intern in various forestry stakeholders, like in government offices, NGO, and forest company. We're lucky the program support our activities in sport and art. Every year, we join sport and art championship in university. They also enhance our soft skill, leadership, and entrepreneurship by various training and activities.
Department of Forest Management as a home base has obtained certificate of quality management system requirements, especially for academic administration and learning process. I think IPB Mobile for students, lecturers, staff also helpful for them to arrange activities and support administrative matters.
Staff Academic telah menciptakan produk dan layanan inovatif untuk pengembangan kehutanan, seperti kerjasama dengan perusahaan swasta untuk mengembangkan telaga inspirasi dan menghasilkan inovasi untuk menggunakan limbah plastik sebagai sarana infiltrasi juga produksi stimulan organik. Terdapat juga metode pengeboran untuk pemanenan pinus dengan cara yang ramah lingkungan, serta pemetaan lanskap secara offline dan online. Lebih jauh lagi, game kartu keselamatan yang telah menjadi topik yang dipraktikkan oleh Asosiasi Kehutanan Jepang untuk pelatihan panen dan apresiasi dari Presiden Republik Indonesia untuk layanan di bidang lingkungan hidup dan kehutanan. Staf akademik juga aktif dalam berbagai organisasi dan kegiatan di tingkat nasional maupun internasional. Antara lain, menjadi wakil koordinator dan anggota aktif EUMRO, ilmuwan di CIFOR, menjalin kerjasama dengan berbagai pemangku kepentingan di tingkat nasional maupun internasional, serta mengelola jurnal internasional bereputasi, yaitu Jurnal Manajemen Hutan Tropika.
We have the opportunity to experience international atmosphere by exchange program, summer and winter course, international seminar, symposium, and international championship. The academic staff always remind us for preparing, so we have lots of achievement in national and international events.
Mahasiswa internasional, peneliti, dan akademisi juga sering mengunjungi kampus untuk melakukan penelitian kolaboratif, guest lecturer, dan seminar internasional. Beberapa alumni manajemen hutan melanjutkan studi di universitas luar negeri terkemuka. Sebagian besar lulusan mendapatkan pekerjaan dalam waktu 3 bulan setelah lulus, terutama di bidang pembinaan dan pengembangan bidang terkait, lembaga pemerintah, perusahaan swasta, pusat penelitian internasional, NGO, dan lembaga kolaborasi internasional.